In this video, I'm going to show you how to find reels you've watched on Facebook. So there's two methods. The first method is to go onto Facebook, go ahead and hit those three lines at the top left-hand corner, and we're just going to navigate to our settings. So go down to Settings and Privacy, and just go ahead and go to Settings. From here, you want to scroll down until you find where it says Activity Log under Your Activity. Go ahead and hit that. And then go to the top where it says Your Facebook Activity, hit the drop-down arrow, and then we're going to go to Posts, but you want to go down to the drop-down menu as well here. And then go ahead and hit See More, and then go to Videos You Watched. So this is going to give you a somewhat accurate representation of how many reels that you've watched. It doesn't do a great job as it just doesn't show you every single one that you've watched. So if there is another method that I can show you here. So what we're going to do is go ahead to your home, go ahead and click home, go back to those three bars at the top left hand corner. And then what you want to do here is where it says memories and saved and marketplace and groups, you want to hit see more, and we're going to go to the reels tab. So scroll down, you will find reels here at the very bottom. Go ahead and hit reels. And I'll just hit pause there. And what you want to do here is go ahead to the magnifying glass or the search area at the top right hand corner. You'll see it there. And then you'll find a section that says Reels You've Watched. Go ahead and hit See All. And then you'll be navigated to most of the reels, or just a more accurate number of reels that you've watched. As you see, I've watched a number of reels in a short amount of time. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy. There's two methods that you can go ahead and find the reels that you've specifically watched on Facebook.